How can I avoid probate? Probate is the process of transferring assets that an individual owns to their heirs following their death. When you die, there's a few ways your assets get to your heirs. One is by beneficiary designation. Another is if it's co-owned with somebody else, it will go to the co-owner. The third way is by setting up a trust. And if you haven't done any of that and you die and the assets in your name, you have to go to the probate court. They name an individual called a personal representative, and they are appointed by the court to officially transfer Kathy Crotty's bank account to Kathy Crotty's heirs. For some people, it's very easy to avoid probate. If you have a house and a retirement plan, we can do a type of deed where your house will pass at death to your heirs, and you make sure your IRA beneficiaries are up to date. If that's done, you can avoid probate, period, end of story. Another way to avoid probate is by setting up a trust. It's a revocable trust, so it's still as if you own your assets. Everything you own, you take. I'm not Kathy Crotty's bank account, I'm Kathy Crotty as trustee for Kathy Crotty's trust bank account. Transfer your assets into trust, and then upon your death, your successor trustee takes over and distributes the assets according to your plan. Trust is recommended for a lot of people because we tend to live longer than we can actually actively manage all our assets. But for people with a very simple number of assets that are very finite, don't have other business interests, we can avoid probate simply by beneficiary designations and an appropriate deed.